Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, dual pane panoramic power sunroof. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.